In this video, you'll learn how to change the language in ElevenLabs for text-to-speech applications. This guide will help you navigate through the process, ensuring that your text is read in the desired language using the appropriate voice settings. Start by opening the ElevenLabs platform in your web browser. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials on the login page. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of ElevenLabs, where several options are available. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, click on text-to-speech. This action will take you to a new interface dedicated to generating speech from text. You should see options for various features related to text-to-speech functionalities. After the new screen loads, look for the section where you can pick a voice. Click on the option labeled voice, then select browse the library. A library of available voices will appear, showcasing different languages and styles that you can choose. Once the voice library is visible, search for voices that correspond to the language you require, such as English, Spanish, or French. It is important to note that ElevenLabs voices are language specific. You cannot simply type text in another language. You must select a voice that is designed to support that language. After selecting the appropriate voice, you will need to type your text. Ensure that the text you enter matches the language of the selected voice. For instance, if you chose a Spanish voice, you should write your text in Spanish for optimal results. Once you have entered your text, locate the button labeled Generate. Click on this button to initiate the text-to-speech process. The voice will then read your text in the selected language, allowing you to listen to the generated speech and verify that it meets your expectations.